Show coverage command. To draw coverage, we are going to use AutoCAD program command called show coverage. This command can be called through AutoCAD menu or by toolbar or by command prompt. The short form to call show coverage command is SCV. To draw coverage, first we need to select block or circle to be considered as sprinkler, and then press enter and select the area. The diameter of the coverage should be specified. Coverage of the selected type sprinkler in that area has been drawn.